overshadow.
Overshadow what?
Ba't wala ako sa public?
Oh, YouTube. You were talking about why my wife doesn't appear in my videos. People have been asking me over there, why don't you include your wife in your videos? Well, my wife is in some of my videos, most notably the wedding video that I uploaded a few months ago. What?
Of course.
Of course, of course. She can't not be there. Okay, it's one of it's in my earlier videos a few months ago, couple of months ago I think. I uploaded it end of December because it was our anniversary. We got married in December 28, 2002. So it's our anniversary, and I uploaded a video. So why isn't she appearing more often in my videos? Well, it's like you were saying you were going to what?
I might overshadow you.
Yes, overshadow, of course.
I might shine brighter.
Yeah. I guess we have a partnership, see, a creative partnership aside from being a romantic partnership. It's a creative partnership. One of the things we did together was the Elmer gift set, and I'm like the public face of the partnership, and she gets to keep the private face, which I'm kinda envious. Not really, YouTube, not really. And so that's it. Right now I'm just uploading a page up at this FTP server of one of my jobs, and it's a page I colored. Well, for a long time I've been working for US companies, for Marvel, for DC, ever since 1995, including I've worked on a lot of comic books and stuff, and including Image Comics, and most of those projects, I think almost all of them, I was an inker. Comic books are created by several creative teams. There's several members of a creative team. There's a writer, there's a penciler, there's an inker, colorist, letterer, and editor, of course, and other people working on it. For the most part, I was an inker, and this particular project that I'm working on, which I can't tell you right now because they haven't announced it yet.
It's so showbiz.
What?
It's so showbiz.
What? What's
You
so
cannot
showbiz?
announce it yet.
Well, the company is kind of showbiz, you know. That's a clue. They're kind of showbiz company. They have properties that's on TV, and
So, it's like some actors cannot say anything about their next project.
I want to talk about it. See, I want to talk about it.
Okay, I stop.
But I want to talk about it, but I cannot tell you some details about it because they haven't announced it yet. See, but anyway, just what? Anyway, I'm very excited about this project because I'm not only doing the inks. I'm also penciling, I'm inking, and I'm coloring. I'm very excited about the project. It's taking me a long time to do a single page because I want each page to look really good, really good. And when it comes out, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm very proud of the pages I've done so far. And once I can talk about it, once they've announced it, you really can shut me up about it, YouTube. Okay, so you watch out, people. You can shut me up about this project. It will be available everywhere, including Mars. That's a clue. That's a clue. So anyway, this brings to conclusion another daily vlog. I've been doing these daily vlogs for like more than half a month now. I started, well, half a month. I started, I think, around May 15, and So far, I've been doing it voluntarily. I'm not really obligating myself to do it just because I said, oh, I'll do a daily vlog. I have to do it. No, it's like make I do it naturally. It's part of my daily thing. No, it's not something I feel obligated to do. It's not something I feel I have to do. It just happens normally. So the only difference is in this my daily vlogs are getting longer and longer and longer. Well, they don't call me Mr. Not Short for anything YouTube. There's nothing short about me. Set my height. This is getting to be a little it's too much information on YouTube. I have to stop now before I say anything more. That would shame other guys. Okay? Goodbye.